Hey there, builders and makers. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of electronics by creating a simple LED and buzzer circuit. Don't worry, it's way easier than it sounds. We'll use a breadboard, which is like a Lego board for electronics. It lets you build circuits quickly and experiment with different components. This project is perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes into the world of circuits. Get ready to make some noise and light up your creativity. Before we begin our electrifying journey, let's gather our trusty tools and components. These are the essential building blocks that will help us bring our creative ideas to life. Each piece plays a crucial role in the grand scheme of our project. Fear not, for this project requires only a handful of readily available items that you can easily find at your local electronics store or even online. These components are the heart and soul of our invention. 1. A breadboard, our circuit's foundation, where we'll connect everything. Think of it as the canvas for our electronic masterpiece, where each connection and component will find its place. 2. LEDs, light-emitting diodes, our beacons of brilliance, come in various colors. Pick your favorite. These tiny lights will illuminate our project, making it not only functional but also visually appealing. 3. A buzzer. This little guy will provide the auditory excitement for our creation. It will alert us with sound, adding an extra layer of interaction to our circuit. 4. Jumper wires. These colorful wires will act as the bridges connecting our components. They are the veins of our circuit, ensuring that electricity flows smoothly from one part to another. 5. A battery pack, the powerhouse of our circuit, providing the energy to bring it to life. Typically, a 9-volt battery pack is perfect for this project. It will keep our circuit running and ensure that all components receive the power they need. 6. A switch, optional. If you want to control when your circuit is on and off, a switch is your best friend. It gives you the power to manage your creation with a simple flick. With our toolkit assembled, we're ready to embark on our circuit building adventure. Each component has its role, and together, they will help us create something truly remarkable. So let's dive in and start building. Now, let's get acquainted with our breadboard. This magical board is divided into rows and columns of tiny holes, each with a spring-loaded connector. The long red and blue lines running along the sides are called rails. These are generally used for power, positive, and ground, negative. The shorter rows in between are where we'll connect our components and jumper wires. Remember, the holes in each row or column are connected. That means if you plug 2 wires into the same row, they are electrically connected. Section 4. Wiring the circuit, connecting the dots of creation. Now comes the fun part, connecting the dots. This is where we bring our project to life by making all the necessary connections. It's like solving a puzzle, where each piece has its place and purpose. We'll start by connecting our battery pack to the breadboard. The battery pack is the heart of our circuit, providing the essential power needed to drive our components. First, connect the red wire from your battery pack to the positive rail on your breadboard. This positive rail will distribute power to all the components that need it. Then, connect the black wire from your battery pack to the negative rail. The negative rail serves as the return path for the current, completing the circuit. Next, let's add the LED. LEDs are fantastic for visual feedback, showing us when the circuit is active. Remember, LEDs have polarity, meaning they have a positive and negative leg. This is crucial because connecting them the wrong way will prevent them from lighting up. The longer leg is positive and the shorter one is negative. This length difference helps us identify the correct orientation. Insert the positive leg of your LED into a hole in any row on your breadboard. This will ensure it receives power from the positive rail. Now take a jumper wire and connect it from the same row as your LED's positive leg to the positive rail of your breadboard. This jumper wire acts as a bridge, allowing current to flow to the LED. Insert the negative leg of your LED into another hole on the same row as your buzzer. This will allow both components to share the same ground connection. Now let's introduce the buzzer to the mix. Buzzers are great for auditory feedback, letting us know when the circuit is active. Insert one leg of your buzzer into any empty hole on your breadboard. This will connect it to the circuit, allowing it to receive power. Take another jumper wire and connect it from the empty leg of your buzzer to the negative rail of your breadboard. This completes the circuit for the buzzer, allowing it to function properly. Voila, your LED and buzzer circuit is complete. You've successfully connected the dots, bringing your creation to life. Now, when you power up the circuit, the LED will light up and the buzzer will sound, providing both visual and auditory feedback. Great job. Section 5. The moment of truth, powering up your masterpiece. With our circuit wired up, it's time for the grand finale, powering it on. If you're using a battery pack with a built-in switch, simply flick it on. If you're using a separate switch, make sure it's connected to your circuit and flip it on. And there you have it. Your LED should light up, and your buzzer should buzz, creating a symphony of light and sound. Section 6. Customization and beyond, unleashing your inner circuit maestro. Congratulations on building your first circuit. This is a significant milestone, and you should be proud of your achievement. Now that you understand the basics, feel free to experiment and customize your creation. Dive deeper into the world of electronics by tweaking and modifying your circuit. Try using different colored LEDs to create a dazzling light show. Mix and match colors to see how they interact and create stunning visual effects. Experiment with different types of buzzers to produce unique sounds. Each buzzer has its own distinct tone, so explore the variety to find the perfect sound for your project. Add a switch to your circuit to control when the LED lights up and the buzzer buzzes. This simple addition can make your circuit more interactive and functional. You can even connect multiple LEDs and buzzers in series or parallel to create more complex circuits. This will allow you to explore different configurations and understand how components interact with each other. Remember, the possibilities are endless. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn and the more creative you can become. Let your imagination run wild and see what amazing creations you can bring to life. The world of electronics is vast and full of potential, so keep exploring and pushing the boundaries of your creativity. Section 7. Conclusion. The sky's the limit. Building a simple LED and buzzer circuit is just the first step into the fascinating world of electronics and innovation. With a little curiosity and a thirst for knowledge, you can continue to explore more complex circuits and exciting projects. So, keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun while doing it. Who knows what incredible inventions you'll create next in this amazing journey?